Damn it. Wow. You see that, Bob? The tail just failed again, dude. I got more parts. That sucks. Wow. That's terrible, dude. The tail just failed again. After just rebuilding it all again. That's horrible, horrible, horrible. I just lost another one of those crucifixes in there, I'm almost positive. Wow. Seemed to be running fine until that happened. So huh. I don't feel a lot of slop in there. I wonder what caused the tail to do that. I completely lost tail control there. I mean, completely lost tail control. Oh man, I shouldn't have unplugged that, I guess. Huh. Now I got a servo twitch. Look at that. Look at that, dude. That's just from plugging it in. That's the throttle servo. Doing that now. That's crazy. Okay. Let's see if this is hot. Yeah, this is pretty hot, dude. The Savic servo is really hot. Super hot. The tail servo is hot. Huh. Oh no. Boy, I just don't get that, dude. That's crazy. Okay, well, let's see what happened. I'll have to take it in the shop. So I got a servo issue and something going on with the tail still. I don't know. This is really, really starting to get frustrating though, buddy. You know, I just can't get this thing fixed. It won't stay fixed. You know, something happens every time and I'm getting frustrated with it. I mean, I really have been extra super careful on everything on this thing, and I'm just frustrated, you know. It took a long time to rebuild this thing and get it all back to par, and I double and triple checked everything before I hovered it just now, you know, the day before and yesterday, and And now the tail just went south. You saw it on the video there. I lost tail control. Good thing I was just a couple, like 1.5 foot in the air, or I would have, this thing would have did the chicken walk across the ground. So something is seriously going on here with this thing. Anyway, I want you to look at this video and just, I mean, you probably can't tell what's going on from there, but this is the kind of shit I'm dealing with. I just don't understand it. All right, buddy. I'm going to cut the video off now. I don't understand it, bro. I don't get it. I'm frustrated. I am. All right. Talk to you later.